In this video, I will show you how to update drivers for Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my Windows 11 desktop. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to your taskbar and you want to click onto the Windows icon just next to the search box. Then what you need to do is click onto settings. If you can't see this here, you can use the search box and search for your settings. And once you've opened up your settings, what you need to do is come to this menu on the left-hand side. At the very bottom, you're going to see the Windows Update option. So what I would recommend doing first is giving this a click and then check in to see if there's any available updates. So you can see it's currently checking to see if there's any available updates for my system. And as you can see, there's currently an update available. So what you can do is download and install updates that way to update your drivers. But if there's a particular driver you want to update, so say for example you wanted to update your sound drivers or your Bluetooth driver, then what you're going to want to do is come down to your taskbar and use the search box and type Device Manager into the search box down here. Now underneath this match, you should see Device Manager come up. Give that a click to open up your Device Manager. What you can then do is use this to locate which driver you want to update. So say for example we wanted to look into updating our sound drivers, I would come down, find the sound, video and game controllers option here, and then click the small arrow next to this to expand it, and you can see all my current sound, video and game controllers. So what you would do is find the one that you want to update. So let's take my actual sound driver. Then what you need to do is right click to bring up this menu and then click onto update driver. Now at this point you can choose whether to search automatically for drivers or just manually locate the driver on your PC. So I would recommend just doing an automatic search, so give that a click. And as you can see in my case, I've already got the most up-to-date drivers for this, but if there is an update available, it's going to find that and install it automatically onto your PC. So that is how to update drivers for Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.